So I just realized after we wrapped up that I forgot to mention that there are no sub-skills in this table of contents. So much like the grammar is quite ambiguous or really just talked about in terms of the names, and some of them are really funky, like adverbial, adjectival, what, and then not exemplified, which is not ideal. But also the skills were really CELTA level in the sense that talking about people's vacations, listening to a conversation about camping, reading and writing about the history of the t-shirt, is all theme-based, but there is no sub-skill teaching fleshed out, not in the table of contents. And I'm not optimistic that if it's not there, it's actually going to be in the material, because it's a bit like my comment about lesson plans and the actual teaching, how when a trainer looks at a lesson plan and we see what's going on and it's neat and it's well thought out, and it doesn't mean that the lesson is going to be a pass, but it's more possible, more likely.
Right.
But if the lesson plan is a mess and is not very neat and whatnot, then it's much more likely that the lesson is in itself is not gonna
Right.
make a difference. So again, if the table of contents is already missing key things, then I'm not optimistic. Although I repeat, I haven't seen the book. I don't know this book, inside.
Right. You've only seen one unit, I think, or
yeah, exactly, a couple of pages, and they were not impressive either. But just even if I hadn't, just based on this table of contents, I wouldn't be optimistic, because there isn't much exemplification when it comes to grammar. Some of the grammar is a bit ambitious, like
so you're saying you can't judge a book by its cover, but you can judge a book by its table of contents.
it's a good saying. I love it. That's a good motto. Yeah, because this is the writer is showing their thinking process, much like a lesson plan is showing your thinking process, I think. So sub skills was missing, and I was half asleep last week when I didn't mention this